Shake it. R. I should have stirred, not shaken, but I'm Captain Claus. Captain Scaredy Claus. That is R. How be thy doing on this Christmas day? Getting ready to set sail for Christmas Eve. Yar, I'm here with a very sad doggy. Christmas is meant to be happy, but when you got a sad little doggy, you just got to give the little doggy lots and lots of hugs, take him walkies, give him great prezzies, just like I'm gonna give you, Yar. Have a bottle of Fireball whiskey in the morning, Yar, Fireball whiskey, and then shut down a couple of Jimmies, yeah. And if you want a real special Christmas, have a couple of tequila shots off your lover's tummy, yeah. Yar, that'll be quite the Christmas, eh? And of course, if you're a pirate, have the rum. Yeah, have a rum pudding on Christmas. Now I know what you're thinking. Things be a bit hungover, but we're just getting started. The dog's so sad, he had all the brandy. Luckily, I've got some rum left over for me pudding. And if you haven't yet, try and get some booty this Christmas. Yar, dirty minds, I know what you're thinking, but that's not what I was saying. You know, beat the Christmas rush, save your pennies, and then you can spend it on New Year's, on all the rum you can drink. Har, 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 har. Well, it's been a fun journey this year. Our most successful season. We've drawn in the biggest views. What can we do next year? Can we get viral? Will you help us, me hearties? Help us get viral. Get thousands more subscribers. We want millions of views. We thank all our fans and newcomers to help us with this year's success. And we'll definitely see you next year for bigger, more horizons to explore. Yeah, this has been your captain. I bid ye farewell, and I'll see ya again for another Barnacle Tale next year. Bon voyage, me hearties. And don't forget, drink yourself sober. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. Oi!